Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical ArCoAn. Myself Arnab Kundu. In today's video, we will learn how to draw a rectangle in PictoBlox using pen extension. Okay, here we will use simple coding blocks like repeat, move, turn, pen down to create a rectangle in PictoBlox step by step. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical ArCoAn. Today we will learn how to draw a rectangle in PictoBlox using pen blocks. Okay. Also we will learn the block coding step by step. So let's move to the PictoBlox application interface and we will draw a rectangle using block coding step by step. Okay. So now I am just within the PictoBlox interface and at first we should select the sprite. Okay, so just delete this Toby and select from there the pencil. This sprite is needed to draw a rectangle. Okay, so we just select the pencil, this particular sprite, and choose a particular backdoor. So from there we just search here and we just took this backdoor where x and y axis is given. Okay. At first we should add the pen extension. So in that case we just go to this plus option, add extension, and just type here for searching pen extension, and this is the pen extension. Just click on that and now this pen block category just add it within this block palettes. Okay, now we should build the blocks sequentially so that we can draw the rectangle in PictoBlox. Okay. So at first we should choose from this event the when this green flag clicked, this block chosen from this event block category, and then we go for the pen this block category and choose the erase all this block. Okay, then we choose from the motion and choose the block go to x y, this particular coordinate value should given. So we choose the value minus 100 for x and for y just chosen the value 0. Okay. Now go for the next block is concerned. For pen block category we choose set the pen color. So this is the option, set the pen color, and suppose we choose the pen color in that way, suppose deep pink we just choose here from there. Okay. Next block chosen from this pen block category, set pen size and choose the pen size to 3. Okay, and then we choose from this pen block category the pen down, this particular block. Okay, sequentially we just added all the blocks step by step. Okay, and next we choose the control from there, repeat this block and choose the value is 4, and then we use the weight this block from this same control block category and choose the value 0.75 second. Okay, and then we just choose from the motion, just choose this option move, this option, and put the value suppose here 200 steps. Okay, then again wait for 0.75 second, so just write 0.75, just put the value, and then go for this motion and choose the turn clockwise and put the 90 degree, and same case for rectangle also, same like square is concerned. In rectangle also the same case, for two arms is concerned, between angle is 90 degrees. So just put the value turn clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, and then again we choose the control from their weight 0.75 the value. Okay, and then we go for motion this option and choose this move now 100 steps. Okay, means 200 for one arms and another arm is 100, right? And then we put the control for weight 0.75, 0.75, and again we go for motion and choose turn clockwise 90 degree. Okay, and then we go for again wet control and choose this wet block 0.75 seconds. Okay, all the blocks are sequentially arranged, and now we just click on this particular flag, green flag for go. Just click on that. Now it just creates the rectangle automatically, because the block coding is considered about it contain the command, and on that command it just continuously generate the rectangle automatically. Okay, so for that case we just choose the repeat value is 2, because we already given the two part, means one for the greater arm and another for the smaller one. So if this repeat 2 times, so it's automatically create the rectangle, it automatically draw the triangle. So that's why we choose the repeat is 2, because just see, this is 1, move 200 for the largest arm and move 100 for the smallest arm, because rectangle have the opposite arms are same, right? So that's why don't need to go for repeat 4, just write repeat 2 and again run this flag, click this flag. Just see, now it just create the rectangle automatically, means it draw the rectangle automatically. Again, if we run this blocks, just press this green flag, go, and just see, it will draw the rectangle automatically, right? I hope you have understood how to draw a rectangle in PictoBlox using block coding. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical ArCoAn for more PictoBlox videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.